Here we have a Unold fan heater. Now, I just got it today. Decided to test it in my room. This is a testing video, but I might do another video showing it after Christmas, after it's starting to get warmer a little, and put the heaters away. Because by then the barracks would have freed up a little bit, because it already spins when you blow it, but my fan's brand new. The barracks haven't freed up yet, so I might make another video tomorrow, or if not tomorrow, after it's run for a while, basically. About 24 hours, it's like many fan companies say, but they don't say here, because maybe there's not that kind of, this does not have that kind of motor, maybe. What does it have? Does it have something that's not a single pole motor? Hopefully it's not single poles. Those are not the best motors in the world. Anyway, big time. Here's some fan setting. I'm a little bit disappointed with the air movement. I believe it's gonna be more powerful. Is it oscillating? Perhaps it just needs to free up. Here's low heat. Let's stop the oscillation just for the sake of it. Oh. What the? Okay, let's just put it like that. High heat, although I probably won't see anything. Wow, it feels nice. And it'll feel uncomfortably hot in a couple of minutes if I stay here for too long. Spin down, which is I'll do this. Just to get more accurate spin down. I'll do another video tomorrow when this thing gets freed up more. Oh, oops. Let's try it again. But you might as well, since you have back oscillating. This reminds me of an exhaust fan, but not really. I'll just verify that the mechanism, the oscillating mechanism is different than the motor. Has a different motor. Yep, it does. Though when I can tell if it's the same motor, if it speeds up while it starts up, but if it just goes at the same speed every time it starts up, then I know that it's separate. You can just tell by look. Speeds up, and when you turn it off, it does not spin down with the fan. But anyway, there you go. Thanks for watching.